We'll guide you through how to see watch history on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be interesting to go and see your watch history on Facebook. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about this. Perhaps you want to go and delete it. So what you need to do is come to Facebook, press the three lines in the top left. Then what you can do is you can come down and you need to go and find the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that to go and expand it, and you then can go and press settings in the list like so. Wait for this to go and load. Now what you need to do here is you need to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option, your activity or section I should say, and within your activity find the option activity log and you can tap there. Expand your Facebook activity and in posts, press manage posts, press filters in the top left and you can go and press categories. And you can look at videos you've watched. So this will then be your watch history. If you want to go and clear one of them, you can press the three dots to the right and press delete or view, or you can go and clear them all at the top.